I'm Dr. Elena Bitrian. I'm an adult and pediatric glaucoma specialist at Bascom Palmer in Miami, Florida. And I'm going to show the OCULUS system using an eye stent injector. So we're going to focus on the eye. We're going to max in first, center the eye. We're going to focus on the nasal angle. So the nasal angle is the iris on the nasal angle is sharp and clear. Then we're going to zoom out a little bit here. We are applying some viscoelastic on the cornea surface. And now we're going to proceed to lower the device. It's recommended to flex this angle, right, that one, so it doesn't touch the nose of the patient. And now we're going to center a little bit, move the knob down to contact the cornea surface. So we're making contact right there, and we're going to be centering a little bit more to adjust. Good. Now we just fine-tune the zoom a little bit to make it sharp. And we can adjust also with the blue knob as well. Okay. Very good. So when we are ready, we're going to use our device. So that's going to be a Hydrus. I'm going to position it with a curvature to the left. Going to enter the eye. Going to angle 15 degrees. I like doing a little goniotomy and scratch. And then just inject the device, pointing slightly up. So here we can see how I can stabilize with my other hand and just introducing the schlemms right here. Now we deploy carefully so I don't take it out of the injector. And the nice thing is, like, there's a lot of stability, so I don't move the device when I'm taking it out. Then you can allow, I have a little bubble of air here, so I can inject. In real life, you would have maybe blood. So you can use both of your hands to stabilize the cannula, go in and apply more viscoelastic to remove the bubbles out of the area of visualization. The device can be tapped. And here it's really nice because this is a very fine movement. The tricular measure is very delicate. So sometimes, like, if you are holding the lens with the other hand, sometimes there's like some piercing of the tricular meshwork. So that doesn't happen if we have a stability with both hands.